Ingenuity helicopter, Ingenuity. We always are enthusiastic about Mars, the red planet. Even NASA is enthusiastic about that. So the questions are whether there is life in Mars, what is the climate in Mars, what is the rock and minerals that are available in Mars, can humans reside in Mars? There are many questions about Mars and the climate in Mars. Already many questions have their answers, like there are rock, soils, minerals available in Mars, and there was a news that water is also available in Mars. But to gain more knowledge about Mars, we are always trying. Particularly, there are two countries which actually landed their spacecraft in the Mars. One is America, second is Russia. India also had a Mars mission called MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission. But our mission is only orbiter. Mangalyaan mission is only orbiter. Whereas America and Russia have actually landed their spacecrafts. And coming to NASA's present Mars mission, NASA's Mars mission 2020, there is so much of good news about that. One is this month, coming month, July 20th, between July 20th and August 11th, NASA is going to launch a rover to the Mars, Perseverance rover. Why this date was fixed? Because in this particular period, July 20th to August 11th, 2020, the Earth and Mars are comparatively nearer. Their distance is comparatively lesser, and if you want to get the same distance, we have to wait again for 2 years. So, most probably Perseverance rover, there is a rover called Perseverance by NASA which is being sent to Mars, and inside this rover, in fact I can tell you in a normal language, inside the stomach, the belly of this rover, first time we are sending a helicopter. Till date we have not sent any powered flights to other planets. We use helicopters, drones, everything on the planet Earth, but we never use such equipment on the other planets. But for the first time, primarily for technological demonstration as an experimental flight, we are sending a helicopter called Ingenuity. Ingenuity. And this helicopter, after Perseverance rover reaches to the Mars, after 60 Martian days, this helicopter named Ingenuity will come out of this Perseverance, will be detached from this rover. For 3 minutes it will go out and take photographs and collect some samples, only for 3 minutes. This process will happen again and again on the surface of the Mars, and this is the greatness of the Ingenuity helicopter. And the distance between rover and helicopter, even after detachment, is not more than a football stadium. So it will be nearer to that rover only, but it will be roaming around, flying around and collecting the data. This was the thing. And for the first time we are sending a helicopter. It is like a small drone. Actually it is like a small drone. And Ingenuity helicopter will be taking photos and collecting the data about the Mars surface, and that is for 3 minutes, and it can happen many times on the Mars surface. This is a story of Ingenuity helicopter. Here we should understand why this mission all about. This mission, NASA's Mars mission, is about whether any life existed there. If at all, what is the character of that life? What is the climatic condition? What are the rocks and soils that are available? All these things they will collect. In fact, this Perseverance rover will carry our helicopter named Ingenuity, Ingenuity, and it is very easy to speak about, detachment of rover and helicopter. But in the practical sense, it is not that easy. In the practical sense, it is not that easy. Here you wish to understand two facts. One is with the Perseverance rover, the Ingenuity helicopter is going to travel for 505 million kilometers, that is 314 million miles. First fact. And the second fact is when the detachment happens, it's a very challenging task. The detachment between the rover and the helicopter is a challenging task, and the final 5 inches of detachment, that is 13 centimeters of detachment, is a very tough task, but that is an engineering marvel. Let us wait and see how it's going to happen, and the mission is going to be accomplished in February 2021, and the Perseverance rover is going to be launched very soon, and the helicopter name is Ingenuity, Mars helicopter. And one more interesting news about this is there is a project too in this Mars mission. In the second project, NASA and European Space Agency are going to bring back the samples. They are going to together, they are going to Mars and they are going to bring back the samples collected by this mission. Let us wait and see about the modalities of all these things. But the word ingenuity is, in fact, the name Ingenuity is suggested by an Indo-American girl. Her name is Vanija Rupani. She is studying 11th standard in Alabama. NASA asked and gave a competition for all children and also adults to name the new helicopter for Mars, and the girl named it as Ingenuity. In fact, Ingenuity means clever, innovation. So, first time it's an innovation that we are sending a helicopter to the other planet. So, she named like that. Thank you.